Now I am going to create a free web hosting account. For that purpose, I choose InfinityFree.com. There are lots of websites available for that purpose, but I choose this one. So go to open website and click on register button. Now you can register your site. Please enter your valid email address, set password, confirm password, and then click on submit sign up button. So here is the email confirmation email sent to your email account. You just verify the email. After the verification, now you click on create account button. This is an important step. Once you click on the create button, here you can choose your subdomain name and domain extension. This is the live domain name that will be available for your website. So choose any extension and choose your subdomain, and then please click on check availability button. If your subdomain is available, then it will good to go. Okay, I type domain and then I click on check availability. So you can see this name is already registered. So I change my name. Okay, I type the new one, and now I click on check availability. Now green sign is available. That means my subdomain is available. After this domain after the availability of this domain, now you can set the username and password for that domain. After setting, I just click on the create account. Now my username or password for that website available. Here are three options once I logged in into the account. You just for first time you just open the control panel. For that purpose, click on control panel button. Okay, then I agree. Here you can see the control panel is available. Then scroll down and click on Soft Oculus app. Remember, this is a one-time installation. You don't need to install again and again. Once I open the Soft Oculus app, there are lots of apps available, but I need WordPress. So click on select the WordPress card and click on install button. Okay, here WordPress installer is available. You just change and set your admin username and password. Remember, this is your WordPress admin username and password. After creating that account, whenever you want to edit or you want to change any content in your website or even any change in your settings, every time you need to log in your WP admin, means WordPress admin panel. So remember this username and password, because later you always use this username and password. So I set the username admin, I set any password. Okay, I am setting the password. Just go down and click on install button. Here you can see your WordPress installations in process. Okay, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 100% your installation is complete. Once your installation is complete, you can see there are two types of URLs available. One for your website and another one for your admin panel. Remember, whenever you want to open the WordPress admin panel, you need your website name /wp-admin. So you can see here, I just open the site. Whenever I open my website, you can see this is the default theme available and default messages are available. Now I'm going to open my WP admin or WordPress admin panel. For that purpose, I type the username and password. So the URL of the WP admin is my site name /WP-admin. Okay, here you enter your username and password. Again, enter the password and username whenever you set in during the installation of WordPress, which password is set. So I set the username admin. I enter my password and just click on login button. Okay, once I enter the username and password, now you can see here is the WordPress dashboard available. Okay, in this welcome dashboard, here are lots of options are available.